sponsored by Blue Oval Motorsports, is Mike Crawford. In the 3 out of Shelton, sponsored by Drew McHugh, State House Representative, Olson Furniture, Bob's Tavern, and Melanie McCullough State Farm and Roxy 94.5, Brad McCutcheon. In the 29 out of Vaughan, Washington, with a thanks to the Wilson family, Belfair Hose and Absolute Auto Care, is Kenny Wilson. And in the 10 car out of Olympia, sponsored by Performance Corner Automotive and Industrial Specialty Incorporated, Doug Yonker. Crawford and McCutcheon right now battling for the lead as they make their way down the backstretch now side by side. Coming out of turn number 4. Crawford with the advantage. So Mike Crawford, and right behind him is going to be the 11 of Brian Crawford. Brian Crawford now looking to get up alongside of Mike Crawford. Your top 3 as they come out of turn number 4 is Crawford, Crawford, and Crawford. Mike Crawford leading the way. Brian Crawford running second, and then Brad Crawford sitting third. Jim Gwynn, the points leader, has worked his way up into 4th. Good battle as they're halfway in this heat race for the Cut-Rate Auto Parts Baby Grands. So far in this heat race, it is the Crawford show. Jim Gwynn now looking like he might want to work to the outside of Brad Crawford, and he is. Jim Gwynn may just stick in that outside groove and try to get his way all the way to the front. Now we got a 4-car breakaway here up front in this one. Mike Crawford got loose coming off of turn number 2. Brian had to check up, and then Brad Crawford dove to the inside of Brian Crawford as white flag is out. Jim Gwynn has slid back to 4th. Now Brian Crawford making a move on Mike one more time. As they come out of turn number 4, Brian Crawford with the advantage. Your winner, Brian Crawford, followed by Mike Crawford, and then Jim Gwynn was able to get to the 3rd.